Set the timer on 60 minutes on the time dry cycle and remove the knob. Remove the top panel screws, and after you remove them, take the top panel and lay it on top of the dryer. Next, we're going to check the timer contacts for continuity. Remove the red wire from terminal B on the timer. Take a reading between terminal B and A and between B and C. The reading should be 0 ohms on both readings. If the reading is infinity on any of the two readings, the timer is bad. Reconnect the red wire to terminal B. To remove the timer, lift this tab and turn the timer counterclockwise and take it out with all the wires attached to it. Take the new timer, set it in place, turn it clockwise until it snaps on. Remove the wires from the old timer and install them one by one into the new timer. Reinstall the control panel and the screws and install the timer knob. That's how you check and replace the timer. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.